I feel like I'm in the galaxy right now.
It's like a workout. Yo.
You know, it feels good. You know, today I've been living like the luxury lifestyle.
So, what are we doing right now?
What do you guys think about this car? Leave a comment down below.
I'm gonna check out the Ford GT. Of course, Jordan's flexing. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Car Community channel and welcome to another vlog. We are out here in Mamaroneck, New York at Enthusiast Details. And check out the cars they have here today. They have a F12 with a sick body kit on it. Check out all that carbon fiber. This F12 actually came from California. One of Fatian's customers just bought the car. How crazy does it look? Similar to the 720S we picked up with Neil, this car is actually built by Creative Bespoke all the way on the West Coast. John's out here fixing elevators and right? Fatian actually just completed this Rolls-Royce Cullinan behind us. A full paint protection film on the car, ceramic coating. And this thing looks like glass. I'm gonna check out the Ford GT. See how hard it is to get into here. Oh god. It's tiny in here.
Seats are bolted down.
So this is the all-new Ford GT. You cannot get this from the factory unless you're picked off of a list. Check out this interior. This car actually has the full Golf livery on the car as well. Full decal package. Of course, Dylan touching all the buttons. What's up, Fatian?
What's up, Zane?
This is Fatian, the owner of Enthusiast Details. I'm gonna put a link in the description of their shop, so make sure you guys check it out. Swipe up. Swipe up, right?
Swipe up.
Swipe up. Swipe up. So this F12 actually has a full SVR carbon fiber body kit, which was done by Creative Bespoke.
Good
later,
to see
bro.
you. Catch up with you
bro. Make sure you send it in the rain.
Send it later.
Take a look at this Rolls-Royce Ghost. Fatian and Roman actually wrapped this car together. What do you guys think about this car? Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this color combination, the purple and the bronze? Take a look at the door jambs. Fire door jambs. They really do amazing work over here at Enthusiast Details.
That's a fake plate on it.
That's why.
Oh my god. They are prepping this BMW for the Concours show. Full detail. Look how clean this thing is. Except for the windshield. That is actually John's Huracan, the one that did donuts for you guys in the snow. And this is the 458 that also did donuts. How crazy are they? This is nice.
Yo,
look at the stars.
I feel like I'm in the galaxy right now.
So corny.
Am I? Touching all the buttons? This is how you're supposed to be driven around in a Ghost. Of course, Jordan's flexing because he doesn't see this every day. We're not going to be heading back to the shop. Let's see where the night takes us. We're going to be meeting up with Queen of Exotics, aka Irene, boss lady. You know her from previous videos. She has the Aventador SV. And we're going to be filming a video, so you guys are going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be a crazy day today. I'm going to be heading out of the Car Community warehouse and going to Rigo's house to pick him up. 8:32. Irene said she's on the way. But yeah, let's get ready to go. I'm not going to be taking the Lambo today because Irene's bringing her car. I don't want to start it up, wake the neighbors up and everything. So we're going in the range. Just made it here to Rigo's house. Look what he said. Rigo's wiping butt. Just like the previous vlog, when I got to Rigo's house, he was taking a in this one too, and he's right over there. Oh yeah?
Oh, hey guys. Oh. Is this in focus?
Yeah.
Is this wide? What the hell is this? This actually got nice.
You wanna put it in record us?
Oh, I didn't even realize this was the GoPro.
Yep. just made it here to Astoria Park. Look at this crazy thing behind us. What up, Rigo?
What are you doing?
We have the Lamborghini Aventador SV behind us, and we are doing a crazy photo shoot today. Yo, what's up, buddy?
Yo, what up, Zane? What's
Yo,
up?
how does it feel to be verified?
You know, it feels good. You know, today I've been living like the luxury lifestyle. Like
He
life
just
changed.
bought this Lamborghini Aventador SV.
You know,
Do me a favor, give Car Community some tips on that.
Yes, and I got this car already.
Oh,
so that's what we're doing today.
Yo, when you're verified on Instagram, you just get whatever you want.
Anything you want. You know, life changed now. I'm too Hollywood for you.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Get out of the car. Come on. I'm taking a picture. Get out. So we got the rope onto the Aventador SV.
Double Dutch.
Let's double Dutch this. Come on, Z, double Dutch. Double Dutch. Double Dutch on the Lamborghini. Come on, do it, do it.
Hey.
Patty cake, bake. It's like a workout. Yo.
That's viral, yeah. Like working out like this. How to work out with your Lambo. Just being mad.
Bro, we're installing every angle, man. Oh, this is gonna be sick.
What you are doing? What the f are you doing?
What you are doing? You f***ing do it to me, I do it
Is it recording?
Yeah. Trying to get all angles. We're about to do some stupid.
Let me get the camera. Let me get the camera.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
Thank you. Back to the vlog. What are we doing right now?
We're about to escape behind a Lambo.
GoPro check. Skateboarder check. Zane check. Boss lady check.
Okay.
Z check.
Check.
Rigo check. So, what are we doing right now?
Just don't if you whip it, I'll fall. Just take it a little easy.
Irene, launch control. Wink, wink. Launch control. Launch control! Send it! She sent it! You almost died over there. Oh god. Yeah, you know Tony Hawk? That's his cousin.
How is it? How is it, guys?
Yeah, it
I've
is.
been at Tony Hawk's son's house.
Really?
Oh yeah?
No.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, bro.
Yeah, Rally Hawk, what up? Oh man, he left us. What are we supposed to do now?
I don't know.
Are we just supposed to wait here?
Yeah, right?
What are we supposed to do?
It's cold.
It's really cold.
And I'm kind of horny.
I'm gonna walk away. How does it feel? You're the first guy to ever skateboard off a Lamborghini.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. I have to say that I'll probably go pro in the skateboarding behind Lamborghini's circuit that I just created.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Why are you going back? Is he pulling the Aventador SV? Come here. Hello, Rigo.
Yeah, this is my new client. You missed.
Huh?
So my nipple's down here.
I called him, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And he doesn't know that he answered, and he's sleeping. Let's hear him snore.
Game over.
Any contact.
Dylan, wake up, sir. Wake up.
Dylan, you've been sleeping all day today.
Let's try to wake him up right now.
Let's go.
Dylan!
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 Dylan! Nothing. Dylan!
Wait, I don't think we're on speaker though. Dylan!
Dylan! But we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much
Use
for
the
watching.
right lane to stay on New York 25
Siri!
service, then turn right
trying to end
onto
the
64th
vlog.
Road.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button. We're growing to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Let's.
Turn right onto 64th Road.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Oh, I think he's waking up. Dylan! 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 Alright, guys. See you later.